Kasih Cek lagi.
Cucu udah jagoan kameraman.
Dah.
Jangan Bi, ya.
Udah punya gaya sendiri ya.
Gimana gayanya dong?
Gayanya gimana gayanya? Ini nih.
Ya.
Ini. Ya gimana ya anaknya Cece aja gimana? Gimana gayanya? Cantiknya gimana prinsesnya? Prinsesnya gimana? Lihat ke kamera. Ih. Prinsesnya gimana prinsesnya? Hah? Gitu. Gayanya gimana?
Iya.
Senyum.
Senyum dong.
Senyum lagi. Senyum lagi.
Tunjuk apa?
Senyum.
Tunjuk
Gimana?
ibu, gitu ibu.
Gantengnya gimana gantengnya? Gantengnya? Ih.
Oke, good.
Ya.
Gitu. Gayanya gimana?
Iya.
Senyum.
Senyum dong.
Senyum lagi. Senyum lagi.
Tunjuk apa?
Senyum.
Tunjuk
Gimana?
ibu, gitu ibu.
Gantengnya gimana gantengnya? Gantengnya? Ih.
Oke, good.
Ya. Dah.
Jangan Bi, ya.
Udah punya gaya sendiri ya.
Gimana gayanya dong?
Gayanya gimana gayanya? Ini nih.
Ya.
Ini. Ya gimana ya anaknya Cece aja gimana? Gimana gayanya? Cantiknya gimana prinsesnya? Prinsesnya gimana? Lihat ke kamera. Ih. Prinsesnya gimana prinsesnya? Hah?
Cucu udah jagoan kameraman.
Oke, good.
Kita spray tempat sama Nara. Ini kalian apa?
In 200 meters, continue straight.
Ya ada lah.
Tadi main pasir. Mainannya mana main pasir? Tuh, kadang
Situ aja. Dadah. Iya. Cucu sini, Cek.
ayah.
Oh, enak aja lu.
Ya.
Ayah. Amma.
Oh, ayah sama.
Iya.
Ah, sama Abi sama. Sama Abi. Tuh liatin Abi tuh. Liatin Abi. Oh sama kayak Abi ya.
Itu.
Hah?
Mama.
Sama abah, sama ayah.
Anda anak kamu.
Loncat-loncat. Wih, dilemparin. Wih, ih, jungkir-jungkir kayak Abi tuh.
Kayak Abi kalau di kasur.
Nada and Nada. Taman Safari Indonesia is proud to be actively involved in tiger conservation, and we successfully manage a rescue and release program in Singapore,
Apa? Oh iya, makan
releasing
dia.
8 tigers to their natural habitat since 2008. We also manage a breeding program and a world-class Sumatran tiger genome research bank. In 2013, Taman Safari Indonesia conducted the world's first artificial insemination of a wild tiger with the hope of saving the genetic diversity of this animal. We continue to work tirelessly with the government against tigers poaching and trafficking. Much more needs to be done to save these beautiful creatures from extinction, so our next generation can still see them in the wild. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope you have enjoyed learning more about our tigers today. Thank you very much, everyone. Have a great day and bye-bye. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to take photo of our tiger, please turn off your flash and do not lean on railing. After this, you
Apa? Iya tuh harimaunya tuh.
These animals are rare and precious. We cannot kill them for our own purposes. Now is the time for us to become more aware and help save this animal from extinction.
Iya tuh, di apa tuh? Tuh.
Such was the belief of the villagers towards the power and strength of Goddess Durga. Villagers learned to respect and live with the tiger.
Iya, ditangkap
But
ya.
alas, it was too late. The only remaining symbol of the Balinese tiger is now the Barong Macan.
Tuh.
Sakti Durga merupakan sakti Dewa Siwa dengan kekuatan maha dahsyat yang mengendarai harimau. Kekuatan tersebut dipercaya untuk melindungi kebajikan dan menghancurkan kejahatan. Goddess Durga is seen holding the tiger, an indication that she possesses power and uses that power to protect the Jew and destroy evil.
Bi.
Siapa bersama? Saya bukan punya hati kamu.
Pada kebudayaan Bali, harimau memiliki kisah tersendiri yang ada di dalam dongeng
Cece, mana
seperti
Cece?
yang Anda saksikan tadi. Pada pertunjukan ini, Anda akan menyaksikan keahlian dan sedikit cerita harimau di masa lalu. This is a story about our tiger, about their skill, their abilities, and their history. Let's get a better understanding and awareness of this big cat. Well, ladies and gentlemen, now please have a look to the left side of the stage to see the tiger in action. Hunting is the key to the tiger's survival. They prefer to hunt alone and by ambush.
Harimau sini.
Tubi.
Tigers are fast runners. They achieve short period of 60 kilometers per hour, but cannot chase fast prey like deer for long distances. When the tiger is close enough, it springs from cover, killing the prey with a bite to the neck. The tiger's hind legs are longer than its front, which allow them to jump powerfully. So well developed are the muscle and ligaments that the tiger can jump some 10 meters in one leap. Kaki belakang harimau lebih panjang dibandingkan kaki depannya. Dengan otot serta persendian yang kuat, memungkinkan mereka untuk melompat sejauh 10 meter dalam sekali lompatan. The tigers usually hunt in the late afternoon or at night for large prey like wild pigs, deer, sometimes monkey, and even frog. Harimau biasanya berburu pada sore hingga malam hari. Mangsa harimau bervariasi, seperti babi hutan, rusa, hingga primata. Well, everyone, do you know that the tigers can climb the trees? Tigers, cats readily climb trees and are known to chase monkey up into the trees in an effort to catch food. Their claws enable cats to grasp and hold large prey, and also climb trees headfirst. Sejak kecil, anak harimau sudah terbiasa memanjat pohon. Bahkan mereka juga belajar berburu primata. Cara melengkung pada kucing besar memudahkan mereka membawa mangsanya dan memanjat pohon dengan posisi kepala di depan. However, it is difficult for the tigers to climb back down a tree. Therefore, they either crawl backwards or jump down from the trees, making them look clumsy. Tetapi harimau akan mengalami kesulitan ketika menuruni pohon, sehingga mereka harus merangkak mundur atau melompat turun dari pohon.
Tuh, ada lagi tuh.
The tiger's habitat is generally in lost tropical jungle, but they have also adapted to a variety of environment, including wide rivers. Harimau hidup di hutan rimba.
Tuh, berenang
Mereka
tuh.
mampu beradaptasi dengan air, bahkan terbiasa dengan sungai-sungai besar. Tigers are good swimmers. Unlike almost all other big cats, they enjoy bathing and often play in the water. Tigers have been known to swim up to 29 kilometers. It was once thought that the tigers swam from Java to Bali across the Bali Strait, which is only 2.4 kilometers wide, making it well within the swimming ability
Tuh, basah, tuh,
of the
basah.
tigers.
Iya.
Udah makan bisa berenang dia.
Villager settle near the river because water is very important source of
Tuh,
life.
tuh, lagi tuh.
Apart from rivers, villages and tigers were competing for the same forest area. It makes the tiger lose their habitat.
So similar, we share about 96% of our DNA with them. Ya, di sini ada orangutan Kalimantan, jadi mereka juga memiliki sidik jari sama seperti manusia.
Ayah ibu gendong anak.
Iya, dan juga ada anaknya ya, namanya Benjiro, usianya baru 2 tahun, lahirnya di sini, di Taman Safari Bali. So we also have the baby orangutan, his name is Benjiro, is about 2 years old now. And we're in the water right now, kita melatih air atau melatih rawa-rawa, ya kita di dalam air, we're in the water. So this replica of Borneo Forest is famous with many rivers. Jadi ini replika dari hutan Kalimantan yang terkenal dengan banyak sungainya. And have a look at your left side, and here we have honey bear or sun bears. Ya, di sini ada beruang madu atau beruang matahari. So they are the smallest bear in the world. They also called sun bear because they have white mark on the chest like the sun. Yeah, they're at the back with the black color, honey bear or sun bear. Ya, di sini ada beruang madu atau beruang matahari. Jadi ini jenis beruang yang paling kecil ya di dunia. Ada di belakang warna hitam.
Nyumput.
Tuh, ini gagaro gato.
Ada tempat api.
Gagaro.
And have a look on your right side, we also have ikan. So they are the smallest ape in the world. Ya, di sebelah kanan kita ada kera kecil namanya owa Jawa. Jadi namanya owa, itu jenis kera yang paling
Kayak
kecil
Abi
di
ya.
dunia.
Abi.
Ada ketawa.
Kayak Abi ya. Abi bukan.
Ini kepentolong. Tenaganya
Hai.
kena meja.
Ya, meja. Tuh.
Apa ini?
And now we're gonna see the dangerous animals. Get ready. Ada satwa berbahaya selanjutnya. We're gonna cross the Bumpy Bridge. Kita akan melewati jembatan ketat. Right, get ready for the Bumpy Bridge. Jembatan ketat. And now we're entering tropical rainforest of Sumatra. And here we have the tiger. Can you see? Where is it? Oh, here on your left side sleeping. Ada harimau ya sebelah kiri. Ada harimau Sumatera. Yang lagi tidur sebelah kiri. And here we have Sumatran tiger or Indonesian tiger. Her name is Jessie, is about 5 years old now. Jadi namanya Jessie ya, usianya sekitar 5 tahun. So they can live until 15 years in the wildlife, even longer in captivity. Jadi mereka bisa hidup selama 15 tahun di alam liar, bahkan lebih jika di penangkaran. Jadi mereka adalah satwa nokturnal, di mana lebih aktif dari sore hingga malam hari. Dan mereka adalah satwa karnivora ya, pemakan daging. Biasanya mereka menghabiskan hingga 6 kg daging per hari. So they are carnivorous animals. They eat around 6 kilos of meat every day. And now we're gonna cross the second bumpy bridge. Ada jembatan getar yang kedua. So that's all about our journey from Indonesia, and now we are going to see the animal from India. Dan selanjutnya ada satwa dari India. Dan di sini kita ada rusa tutul ya, dan di sebelah kanan we have spotted deers on the right side.
Habis ini bisa lama.
So they can very easily because they avoid spot on their body to camouflage in the forest. Jadi hanya jantan yang ada tanduknya, sedangkan yang betina tidak memiliki tanduk. Tanduknya sama seperti kuku manusia.
Dia tuh gajah tuh.
And if you look on your right side, and here
Yo.
we have Sumatran elephants or Indonesian elephants. Kita ada gajah Sumatera sebelah kanan.
Tuh.
So the Sumatran elephant is the second
Tuh.
smallest elephant in the world after pygmy.
Dia lihat ayah.
Senyum dong. Ya memang pengen selalu yang mana.
Bagus sih. Pakai.
Kamu dari kanan mandor,
Awal kisah.
Buddha Wisnu Kencana berawal dari pencairan air kehidupan oleh para dewata dan raksasa. Air kehidupan itu adalah
Dia, Cak.
Tirta Amarta.
Itu political planning yang tentunya bisa mempengaruhi semua aspek ya. Nah, sehingga kalau kita